Welcome back to World Traveler Cooking, the show where we explore cuisines and interesting dishes from around the world, some of which may be ordinary and some of which may be extraordinary. Now, today we are going to make a tahini sauce because in a couple of days I'll do a falafel video. Again, sorry for the noise in the background. This construction next door is just going to continue for as long as it continues. Can't do anything about it. So, our ingredients are pretty simple. This is tahini, garlic, we have some salt, which I didn't bring out, some lime juice, and parsley. And we'll add some cold water as needed. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So, I have sliced my clove of garlic a little bit, I've added a pinch of salt, and I'm going to crush this into a paste. You can use a mortar and pestle, or you can just use, as I'm doing, a rock on a plate. Sometimes it's just a little easier. This will take very little time, but we want to really mash and break this up a bit. And here we have a nicely crushed garlic salt paste. That'll go in with our tahini. I'm going to squeeze the lemon out, or the lime juice out. For 90 grams or of tahini, we'll use 60 grams, so you can think 3/4 of a cup to half a cup. So I have my tahini, my lime juice, and my garlic salt paste in here. And I'm going to use a hand blender to emulsify this well. I'll be back in a few moments. Now, pretty soon we get this sort of big thick paste, and we're just going to slowly dilute this down with water until we get to our preferred consistency. I think it needs a little more. That's looking pretty good. Just gonna... Yeah, I think that's about right. Parsley we will stir in. I think I need a little more parsley than that. Stirring in the rest, some more parsley. That looks about right. And now I will transfer this to a serving dish. And I'll garnish with just a little parsley. Now this sauce is a little bitter by itself, but it's really intended to go on, say, falafel or shawarma and stuff. So I'm not going to bother with a taste test. So you'll have to just come back in a couple days and see me eat it with falafel.